Hello everyone, welcome once again. This is me Anwar and this is my new video for you all. As we know about Chinese government scholarship, it's a well-known scholarship around the world. In order to promote the mutual understanding, cooperation and exchange in policies, economics, culture, education and trade between China and other countries, the Chinese government has set up a series of scholarship programs to sponsor international students, teachers, and scholars to study and research in Chinese universities. I shared a lot of universities which already announced Chinese government scholarship. So in this video, I will also share some top universities of China. They already announced Chinese government scholarship for other countries. So let's see those universities and grab this opportunity. So let's start, but before starting, if you didn't subscribe our channel till now, please subscribe it. And now let's see. In our list, the first university is, you can see, Nanchang University. Nanchang University already announced Chinese government scholarship. You can see the requirements and all other things. Okay, you can see full scholarship. It's a full scholarship and it's covering all the things which you want. Okay, and it's actually for bachelor, okay, per master and per doctoral programs. Okay, so you can see scholarship procedure. Okay, and it's actually from January to March. It's already started. You can send your application before March 30. Okay, an application method: first go to Chinese government scholarship online application form and give a agency number of Nanchang University 10403. This is the agency number of Nanchang University, and then mail all copies to International Exchange College of Nanchang University. Okay, then you can see here application documents. It's a Chinese government scholarship online application form. Okay, highest diploma, academic transcript, two tries, both. Okay, a study plan or research proposal, two recommendation letter. This is for art. If you are art student or music student, then that's for you. Okay, and valid documents of legal guardian in China. For application, it's only for below age 18. Okay, for those who is below age 18. Okay, then physical examination form, pre-admission letter if you have. Okay, then valid HSK report if available. Okay, then send all your documents to Nanchang University before the deadline. Okay, and this is the contact address. So if you want to apply to Nanchang University, so it's good. You don't need to pay any application fee. You just need to send your application documents. Okay, in our list, the second university is Liaoning Technical University. It's a well-known university in Harbin. Okay, it's already announced Chinese government scholarship, and the duration is April. Okay, April first week. Okay, you can apply before 7th April. Okay, and it's also only you need to fill Chinese government scholarship online application form and send all your educational documents to Liaoning Technical University. You can see undergraduate program, master program and doctoral program, and you can see here it's already announced. Okay, it's Chinese government scholarship. Okay, you can apply. It's also no need to pay any application fee. You just need to send your hard documents to Liaoning Technical University. Okay, in our list, the third university is Liaoning Tsinghua University. Okay, Liaoning Tsinghua University already announced Chinese government scholarship, and you can see here the deadline is 30 March. You can send all your documents before 30 March, and you can see application procedure. You just need to fill Chinese government scholarship online application form and send all your documents. So you can see the agency number here for Liaoning Tsinghua University. Okay, it's only for master students. Okay, only master student can apply for Chinese government scholarship. Okay, and you just send all your documents along with Chinese government scholarship to Liaoning Xinhua University. Okay, and you can see the address here. You can mail all your documents to this address and this zip code, and this is phone number. Okay, so this is Liaoning Xinhua University. It's also no need to pay any application fee. You just need to send your hard documents. Okay, in our list the fourth university is Nanjing Agriculture University. Nanjing Agriculture University is top university for agriculture side in China. Okay, it's already announced Chinese government scholarship. Okay, only you need to apply online. Okay, but you need to pay application fee of 500 for Nanjing Agriculture University. You can see funding policy here, and you can also see application eligibility. Okay, you can also see here documents required. Okay, first Chinese government scholarship online application form, and then Nanjing Agriculture University application form, and you will need to pay application fee. Okay, as it written here. Okay, okay, you can see here application procedure. Okay, find suitable program, then find relevant supervisor, then you can register yourself and Chinese government scholarship, and then you can apply and Nanjing Agriculture University application system and pay the application fee of 500. Okay, so it's also given bank details here. It's a well-known university of China, so if you want to apply to Nanjing Agriculture University, you can apply before the deadline. Okay, and the deadline is 30 March. It will be written here. Okay, and in our list the fifth university is Nanjing University. Okay, Nanjing University already announced Chinese government scholarship. Okay, and you can see here it's a list of measures. You can download this PDF file and you can see all your measure and you can find your measure, then you can apply. And application procedure is you need to fill two online application form. First, Chinese government scholarship online application form. Okay, and here is the agency number. Okay, and second, you need to Nanjing University online application form. Okay, and you will upload all these documents in Nanjing University online application portal. CSE application, academic transcript, degree, two recommendation letter, HSK, ALTS or English proficiency certificate, and detailed proposal or research plan, and list of paper published. It's optional. Physical examination report and passport copy, and it's a non-criminal record. If you are applying for PhD, then you need to also upload the abstract of your master thesis. Okay, and you don't need to send any hard forms, and you also don't need to pay any application fee. You just need to apply online before 31 March 2021. Okay, and our list, the sixth university is Shanghai University. Shanghai University also announced Chinese government scholarship. Okay, and you can see here the agency number for Shanghai University here 10280. You can see here these details and who can apply. You can see the eligibility criteria here. It's for master and PhD. Okay, and when to apply, you can click here. Then you can see here it's from 8 January to May 15. Okay, you can apply before this. And how to apply, let's see. First, you go to Chinese government scholarship online application form and choose type B. Also put agency number as mentioned above. Then you need to complete online application for Shanghai University. Then you also need to pay 500 RMB. Okay, application fee non-refundable, and you don't need to send your hard documents. You just need to pay online application fee and upload all your relevant documents. Okay, so in our list the seventh university is Shandong University. Shandong University also announced Chinese government scholarship, and you can see eligibility criteria here. And You can also see scholarship coverage, and it's a fully funded scholarship, as we know that it's for bachelor, master, and PhD. Okay, you can apply before 31 March. Okay, and academic programs you can see here. Okay, and also application procedure you can see here. First, you need to fill online application form of Chinese government scholarship. You need to put 10422 agency number for Shandong University. Then you need to fill Shandong University online application form, and you need to upload all your educational documents along with CSE form in Shandong University online application portal. You don't need to send your hard documents, you just need to apply online, and also you don't need to pay any application fee. Okay, so this is enough for today. In our next videos, I will come with more universities and more scholarship. So stay tuned with us. Thank you so much.